and welcome to the Data Innovation Summit Highlight Series. My name is Saranda Arifi. I'm an Editorial Director here at Hyperight, and in the next few weeks, I will be taking you on a journey to highlight the most important themes and sessions of the event and tell you why this year's edition is indeed a special one. But before we start, what is Data Innovation Summit and why should you care? The Data Innovation Summit is designed to impact and shape the future of business and society by cross-pollinating knowledge and experience in data management, advanced analytics, IoT, and artificial intelligence across organizations, industries, and regions. The event gathers the innovators of today and the leaders of the future in one place to discuss ways to how to accelerate data and AI-driven innovation and industrialize advanced analytics projects into production. For the last 5 years, the event has become a gathering place where the most innovative data and AI projects and technologies have been presented. A worldwide movement ushering the community of data practitioners across countries and sectors to collaborate, benchmark, share, and innovate. We have entered the AI Industrialization Decade, that of AI-guided services, robots, and self-driving cars. A decade where all companies that entered the digital and AI economy shall innovate as they monetize through their data. But also a new decade as an uncharted territory where we need to structure, optimize, regulate, make it more transparent, and democratize the way we innovate through that data. To make it right, we will need to go to the basics of why we are innovating, as well as for whom we are innovating before we start investing in people and technology. That is why we have dedicated the main theme of this year's edition to human-centered and explainable data and AI innovation. When designing events, the importance of defining the keynote speeches and finding great keynote speakers is crucial to the overall success of the event. The keynote speakers are there to educate, to excite, inspire, but also tie everything together and as a group make the statement that the event was designed for. So here they are, our 7 keynotes of the 5th Annual Data Innovation Summit. If the only thing that your analytics projects has delivered is insight, you have failed. These were the words of one of Teradata's senior directors, Martin Wilcox, who is currently EMEA VP of Technology, and who in 2017 opened this very same conference. Martin returns this year as the opening keynote speaker, touching upon how to get analytics out of the lab and into production. Although commentators might agree that we are on the cusp of an era of ubiquitous machine learning, yet many organizations still struggle to get true ROI out of their advanced analytical investments as they cannot put them into production. In this presentation, Martin will discuss the vertical and horizontal scaling of machine learning, key considerations in the effective operationalization of machine learning, and will take the long view of digitization to try and understand what will have to happen so that the ubiquitous machine learning realizes its true potential. Next, data innovation needs good data storytelling. An independent educator and consultant who has taught data visualization and information dashboard design in over a dozen countries, Nick Desparates, who is a data visualization evangelist from Practical Reporting and author of Beyond Dashboards. He will uncover the real reasons why so many dashboards fail to satisfy users and organizations. Reasons that go far deeper than the visual design on which most dashboard books and courses focus on. If you think dashboards are only for business executives, you are up for a big surprise, because dashboards boost and take a hard spot in every data and innovation project in the organization. I'm presenting a speaker now whom the fans of the Data Innovation Summit know very well, the data demystifier David Dadoon. David is now the head of enterprise data and BI at Ubisoft, and on this year's edition, he is delivering a keynote titled Learning to Read, A Tale in Data Literacy. In this era of increasing self-service analytics, users find themselves lacking the skills to fully understand how to deal with data, apply appropriate analytical and visual elements, and interpret and understand the resulting analysis. For organizations to truly achieve an information democracy, all users must have a basic proficiency and fluency in working with data, and it is critical to the long-term success of any organization to develop a data literacy initiative to imbue these skills into the employees. Talking about society, thanks to the relative ease with which local governments can now gather real-time data, and that combined with the capabilities of AI, cities are now realizing interesting new ways to run more efficiently and effectively. We are proud to host this year's His Excellency Yunus Al Nasser, who is the CEO of the Dubai Data Establishment, and who will deliver a keynote on building a city's data future, a presentation that will highlight key points that a city CDO should consider when building and empowering a data economy in their city. The main points will be seeing turning data into value as an end goal, having clear policies and legislations to encourage sharing of the data between the public and the private sector, create infrastructure to ease the exchange of data between entities, foster a data ecosystem with regular engagement with key players in the market, and collaboration with the private sector as crucial to successfully building a data-powered economy. The head of AI research of an automotive giant, Volkswagen Group, Patrick van der Schmutt, is joining as the next keynote speaker of this event. Patrick will shed light on ethical and trustworthy artificial and machine intelligence. Questions like how can machines learn without being supervised? And can we have machines discover curiosity? What can our algorithms decide for our customers, as well as the initiatives on defining the ethical rules for the use of AI will be pointed out. Creating real-time customer experiences is more important than ever, with consumer attention span continuously decreasing. The amount of data and channels marketers can work with is larger than ever. In this challenging landscape, a digital marketer will run into 4 major data hurdles: data preparation, data governance, connected data, and ontologies in order to deliver real-time customer experiences. This session will walk you through these hurdles and ways to mitigate them by helping companies to become an experienced business. So you will learn about the imperatives of an experienced business, the requirements to create real-time customer experiences, as well as the challenges on how to overcome them. All of this will be presented by Steve Allison, Head of Product Marketing, Audience and Data Technologies at Adobe EMEA. And last but not least, Daniel Gilblock, the co-director at the AI Innovation of Sweden, a national and neutral initiative functioning as an engine in the Swedish AI ecosystem, will wrap up the keynote assembly with an exciting speech on how Sweden builds real, transformative, and robust AI solutions. Daniel will discuss challenges and ways forward to applying AI at scale. The focus is on accelerating the implementation of AI through sharing knowledge and data, co-location of competencies, and collaboration projects. All of this with a strong emphasis on ethics, transparency, and security. So there you go, our 7 keynotes rounding the theme of this year's edition of the Data Innovation Summit, and the main theme towards human-centered and explainable data and AI innovation. For those of you who have your ticket, looking forward to seeing you online all in August. For those of you who still don't have a ticket, please visit datainnovationsummit.com to learn more about the summit, how to become part of the data and AI innovation community, and how to get registered. Thank you very much. Until the next video, stay safe.